Alright y'all, I'm out here at Bragfest. We're getting ready to do a burnout here. It's going to be my 200 subscriber burnout. So if you see this video, it means I hit 200 subs. And I got a little set of 185s right here I'm going to burn off. Tony's about to go over there and make a hit in the hot rod. I got some Miata donuts that I'm going to throw on and see what happens. So, should be interesting. Alright, well, we couldn't do it till they popped. We had to cut it a little short. I'm letting it idle down right now. We got up to like 242. I don't know if you can see that. It's at 241 right now. It's not focusing. But regardless, I'm not going to cut it off because you can see my radiator cap's kind of leaking a little bit. And yeah, so we're going to let it idle down and cool a little bit. There we go. Oh shit. So that was tight. That's not good. That was too tight. Let's let that vent a little bit. let her cool down. But there we go. We'll see what happens when it cools down. Might go out and do another one. But okay, yeah, we're going down now. 239. It's getting better. But yeah, we'll check back in a minute. Do you want me to get in and get some in-car?
Say less. I'm gonna have to back up and go to opposite. I'm gonna need some water.
Water?
Yeah.
We need water.
You mind giving me a little bit of water? I got 275s back here.
I was about to say something. It was gonna sound awfully gay, so I chose not to say it.
Hey man, say it anyway.
You got a whole lot of spit outside.
Everybody get ready. Start spitting. Honestly, my camera will be better.
Here we are with George and the 1.5 JZ.
This is
Mark III Supra.
I'm 12 Pro. Oh, do you think? I'm broke, bro.
Getting some in-car footage.
Camera that can make you wonder. Say, look, I'm broke, bro. I can't afford that.
Hey, Stu.
Is he going again? I can't see.
I think so.
Okay.
I can't really see either, but I think he backed up.
Yeah, let me get out of this guy's way. Hey, I'm all up in the way, man.
Dude, this thing's roomy.
It's not bad, isn't it?
Oh my god, dude.
Yeah, even with the add-on cup holders.
Woo!
With the add-on cup holders, it's not bad.
I think people keep thinking I'm driving.
Only if I can take my steering wheel off, I didn't. There you go, buddy. You got it. My boy in the red eye, he probably eating tires right now, dude. That thing is insane.
There's no way this was made for Asians. I'm Asian.
You know what's funny? It's crazy. It's insane how it is not made for Asians.
These seats are comfy too.
They're not bad.
Cars.
The only thing is, I think I've sat in mine for so long. It's just like,
yeah.
I'm gonna go down and turn around.
No, just go straight. Stu.
What?
I was gonna.
Yeah. Go down and turn around. Yeah.
I'm gonna go down and turn around.
That's my boy right there.
Hey, I'm gonna go down and turn around.
Hey, no, he's gonna turn around.
I'm gonna turn around.
Yeah.
This is sketch.
It is sketch. I did a donut or a 180 right here. Can you get it going without water?
I could try.
Just fucking send it, dude. Just send it. Is there water in that jug? Do you guys have water? Do you have any?
I can go get some. I'm gonna get you to back up to this cone, and then I'm gonna pour some water, and you get.
All right.
What do you think? Somebody doing burnouts over there?
I don't know.
Ruining the.
Maybe.
Hey, if you spin them, I'm gonna let you go. But if not, I'll find some goddamn water.
Yeah,
all right.
That. She's gonna spin, but I can't guarantee she can.
All right. God damn, that's a lot of people standing.
That is a lot of people, bro.
They see a Supra.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah, dude. Good job. Hell yeah.
Boy!
Woo, she's smoking. Yeah, buddy.
Oh, okay. I gotta make it home.
You can do one more.
Hey, without water, bro, you spun the hell out of
That was good, dude. That was really
I
good.
needed it, bro, to be honest.
Hell yeah,
It was
dude.
like, bring me some water. I'm like,
Oh, that was great.
Thank you. She ain't got 2 steps. She pump limiter. That's it.
Yeah.
I ain't got 2 steps.
go crazy then, bro.
Remind me to give your number. I'll send you. All right.
Yeah, that was good.
Yes, sir.
Here,
Oh, that was good.
Oh man, there's a lot of traffic.
Yeah.
That was fun. That was fun.
Oh, that was great,
that was
dude.
Fun, right? That sounded okay. She sounded good. Okay. I just want to make sure y'all was happy. You know
Hell
what I'm
yeah.
saying? I just got to make sure y'all was good.
That was cool. Well, we got George.
Yes,
The
sir.
1.5J Mark III Supra.
Yes, sir.
Got a nice burnout in.
1990. Prime real estate, prime rib, A1 right here. 30 years
buddy.
old, still eating ties. You know what I'm saying? She out here.
Yeah, buddy. That was good. Good job, bro.
Appreciate you, sir.
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah. Do it. Yeah.
All right, listen, everybody, stay back. I'm gonna try and pop them. So stay far, far back.
You have a donut on your car.
I know, and I'm gonna try and pop them. So stay way, way back. All right. I'm dead ass serious.
Barry. Get him.
Barry!
Whenever you go down there, you turn. I'm gonna stop you a little bit early.
Watch the game.
Just let her eat.
Yo, I am.
All right.
All right.
Let him through. Right there. I'm gonna let this challenger through and then come back up.
Okay.
He's going to blow them.
Okay, tell me when to put this thing out the window.
When we start doing a burnout.
This is gonna be so funny hearing my voice. Because I'm probably gonna scream.
Dude, go for it.
So just like this. I can't even see what I'm filming.
Yeah, I'm gonna get all the way on that side because it's probably gonna kick out.
So many peoples out here in Sleasley.
I'm gonna fucking let her eat until I'm in front of the fucking car, please.
Okay.
All right, right there.
What's going on?
Yeah.
Okay, now.
Hold on. That's big, man. Tire's already almost gone. Damn.
Is it?
So what happens when it pops?
What's going on?
Huh? I'm gonna try to stay in one spot.
He needs
Yeah.
to be in this spot.
So actually tell them to get back up in front of the truck.
You're coming down here. You got to be in front of the car.
I'm gonna start back here, stay in front of the truck, or stay up there.
You look like Hollywood. Okay. Tell me when.
Watch it, dude. As soon as one of them pops or anything like that, you sit on your stop.
Okay. All right.
Hey.
Yeah, get up. Get up. Get up there.
Hey, Tony. There's Tony. Okay, I'll put out the window.
Yeah, baby! Oh, that was great. Yeah. Look at all that smoke.
Now y'all gonna get this out.
Hell damn!
Hey, you running good temps and everything? You're good?
Yeah, 201.
Give the rim.
Huh?
Give the rim.
Give him the. Oh, really?
Give the rim.
A little bit, because my fuel line's right in front of the wheel well. I'll give it a little bit.
What are we doing?
Go slowly back up.
Hey, come back up. You're gonna give the rim.
Do you want me to stop?
No, keep going. I'm about to keep going with it. Put the camera out. Try to get a shot of it. I'm gonna make it back. They say, yeah. That's the exhaust. It didn't take long, dude. It didn't take long at all. Oh, wow. Look at that, dude. Oh, that's great. Woo. Well, now we know how long stock Miata donut will last on a V8 Miata. That's good. Oh, that's so good. All right, well, I guess I'm going to end this one here now. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll see y'all on the next one. Later, y'all.